So today I want to show you people how you people can download OBS Studios for your podcast and live streaming. So what you're gonna do is like just go to one of your browsers and write OBS Studio, download, then click that. It will give you this the first option. When you click it, you have this screen here. Then when you scroll down, you see here says Mac and Windows and Linux. You have free and open sources for software for video recording and live streaming. Download and start streaming quick and easy on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Okay, this is what you see here. Here is the screen of the OBS Studio. So what you're gonna do is, I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna use Windows. If you have Linux or Mac, you can also download it by just clicking the link. So I'm gonna download it here, and then it will just come in instantly. Now is the OBS Studio now is open for each and every one of you. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is the first step is to make a sense so that anything that you set here will remain inside here. So you can just come and click it, then you continue with the program that you want. Okay, here's the first one. So if you want to add a sense, is just click here, the plus button here, then it will give you sense. You can rename it. So I will leave it the way it is. So the first sense I'm gonna use is, now what we're gonna do is to add a source so that we can also start going live or doing another podcast. Here set add the plus button, just click the plus button. Then here you see audio output, audio input, and color sources and display capture, game capture. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take the first thing that said display capture, because when I take display capture, it will take anything that in my I'm now seeing in my computer background. The same capture, I will leave it display capture like that. Now here you can see, here is my computer screen that you are seeing. You are seeing Audacity, you are seeing OBS, you are seeing also FL Studio to make beat. So just click OK. When you click OK, it will be like this. So now your screen is here in double. So the next thing that you want to do is, if you want to take yourself also in the streaming or in the podcast, you can just click here also the plus button and came here and say where they said video capture device, click video capture device. I will leave it the way it is, and boom, here is Sparta King Sparta. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like I show you. Okay, here also you can see like it will say OBS virtual camera, but if you also have like another camera that you want to use, you can also plug it there via USB or via Bluetooth. Then when you open video capture device, you came to this place here, then you click here, it will give you the name of your camera. Click the camera will be your webcam instead of the computer camera, a computer webcam. So let's leave it like that. You just click OK and go. Okay, so here also you can see some people will say like, how can I close, like you can cut this side from the video, because sometimes it used to be so much bigger. So you're gonna near the window near the window sorry near the window button in your computer, in your PC, there is a three-letter called Alt. Just press that one. When you press it and close it, you will see a green line. You see here the computer, the screen is cut now. I'm sorry, it is cut now. Here again I do it, and I can press it again and open. If the camera, no, the camera is just like that. Okay, so now it is smaller and smaller than it was before. Now you see it is like this and it is not coming back. Okay, next thing, maybe like you want to capture let's say a screen, some screen that maybe, let's say you want to capture OBS, I'm sorry, you want to capture the screen also is here. You can see now, you can see the blue here also, it is taking this small blue that you are seeing. Okay, you can also capture maybe You can add also an image in your background. Just click here, then came here, you click the browser, and here is your background, your image. You can also add it to be the main background. Maybe you can add another person again whom you want him to join. So the next thing that you're gonna do is, let me remove this one first, is only here. Came here, you can also capture a game, you can change the color, you can change anything, media sense and text is also. You can also open a window capture. So here is everything that you people want to know about OBS. So let's see here. When you came to video capture device, click the right side of the computer, of your mouse. Then you came to filter. In filter now, we can change my background, this background that you are seeing behind me. Just came to audio and video file. Here says effect. So you can just close it a little bit, then click here down at the plus. When you scroll up, the second one, after the first one, the second one, you see something like says chroma key. So chroma key also, what chroma key do is they change your background. Anything that you have in your background, they change it. Maybe like if you have a green screen, you can change the green screen background through this place. Here you can see it said green, blue, and I click blue. I'm not having a blue background, but you see magnet, and you can select your customer color also. So this is the most important thing about having a green screen. So this is it. If you have a green screen, then you are free to go. You can just add so many things, so many things in with this thing. Okay, so now what you want to know is how to go and how to make a live streaming also in YouTube. So I'm gonna show you that what I always do is I always use this website to this application to make a live streaming when I'm doing relaxing music. Sometimes you will see it in my channel. I put a relaxing music in my channel. It's because I have a relaxing channel also. So that relaxing channel, when I'm doing it, sometimes I feel happy. So I will make the live streaming to be two. One will go to my channel and one will go to the live streaming settings. Okay, here also you can see desktop audio. Any audio that is in the desktop, you can record it directly. And here is the mic. When you are talking, the mic will be moving and going. So I don't set the mic because, let me just see and say input, audio input, and I will leave it default. Then here, when you came here, and you have to set it. When you set it, and boom, you can start uh going with the audio, and that's it. You don't have nothing else to do. That's your boy Sparta King Sparta. Don't forget to subscribe, as I always